Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use grid backgrounds. We'll start by understanding why grids are so useful for design. They offer a clear framework, making it easier to place objects accurately and maintain a professional look. Think of them as your invisible guide, ensuring everything lines up perfectly. This foundational step is crucial for any project requiring precision and visual harmony. Now let's get your grid set up. Most design software has a View or Preferences menu where you can enable and customize grids. You'll want to adjust the grid spacing, perhaps to 10 pixels or 1/4 of an inch, depending on your scale. Also, pick a grid line color that's visible but not distracting, like a light gray. This ensures your grid is a helpful tool, not an obstruction. Once your grid is visible, the next powerful feature is grid snapping. When enabled, your objects will automatically snap to the nearest grid line as you move or resize them. This eliminates guesswork and ensures perfect alignment without manual adjustments. It's incredibly useful for maintaining consistent margins and spacing, making your design process much more efficient and accurate. This feature is a real time saver. For more advanced use, consider combining your grid with guides for even greater control, especially with complex layouts. You might also use different grid sizes for specific sections of your design, perhaps a 5-pixel grid for small details and a 20-pixel grid for larger blocks. Always remember to toggle your grid visibility on and off as you work, so it assists without overwhelming your view. Mastering these tips will elevate your design precision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.